Hi, I'm Mike Stanzik, and this is Digital Electronics Classroom. So we're going to look at a problem here now about what's the largest value that a number with a certain number of binary bits can hold. And so we're looking at 10 bits in this example. So let's get started. So the question is, what is the largest value that can be represented by 10 bits? This is actually a really good question because 10 bits is a pretty standard number of bits for reading in analog data. And so when you have a sensor that's reading in analog data, oftentimes it's a 10-bit number that comes in. So we have to figure out, well, what's the range of values that holds. So we could calculate this directly and write out 10 bits, right? So this would be 1 in each of those bits. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you could just calculate this, 2 to the 0 plus 2 to the 1 plus 2 to the 2 to the 3 to the 4 to the 5 to the 6 to the 7 to the 8th and to the 9th. And so that one way you could do that, and if you do that, you get the correct answer. But there's an easier way, and the easier way is to say, well, this is 1 less than this number. So if I add 1 here, then all these flip to 0 and we get a 1 in the next place. And so this would require an 11-bit number. But we're going to take that lowest 11-bit number, subtract 1 from it, and then we'll get the highest 10-bit number. And so this right here is 2 to the 10th. So we have 2 to the 0 counted up with 11, 2 to the 10th. So we can calculate that pretty easily in our calculator, and that's 1024. And then we subtract the 1 to get 1023, and that's the largest value that can be stored in base 10, the largest value that can be stored in a 10-bit register. Okay? So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope that was helpful.